A piece of evidence that would have placed acquitted suspect Cheron Shelton near the scene of the Wilkinsburg massacre was never shown to the jury.
Newly released transcripts of private conversations between the judge and lawyers revealed that the prosecution failed to provide this evidence to the defense, so it wasn't allowed. Paul Martino has obtained those transcripts, and he's live at the county courthouse with details. Paul.
Susan, if you followed the trial, you may recall that a Wilkinsburg detective testified that he saw a suspect, Shelton, near the scene shortly after 5 people were gunned down and killed in Wilkinsburg. He says he phoned in the license plate number on the car that Shelton was entering. But the detective couldn't provide any proof of making that call. Well, it turns out there was proof all along, but the prosecution got the evidence so late they couldn't admit it into the trial. It was Wilkinsburg Detective Michael Adams who testified that suspect Cheron Shelton was getting into a white Lincoln. Defense attorneys called Adam a liar, but it turns out now there's evidence to back up Adams' claim. Veteran defense attorney Phil DeLucente, who wasn't part of the trial, says this made a huge difference.
I think it was a game changer. This was very, very critical evidence from what we now know.
In transcripts released Friday, a sidebar conversation between the judge and attorneys revealed that evidence proves Detective Adams checked on the plate number, but the prosecution got it too late to inform the defense, too late to get it into evidence. Prosecutor Kevin Chernowski admits to the judge, quote, obviously it is a discovery violation, meaning they failed to hand the evidence over to the defense. DeLucente agrees with the judge's decision.
Judge Borkowski, because of the untimeliness of it, decided that it would not be fair for the defendant.
So the defense attorney asked the judge at sidebar, I would hope that I could argue to the jury you never heard any other witness or detective confirm that they were given this information. Judge Borkowski responds, you can argue that, but the judge added, I don't think you can any longer call Adams a liar because there is substantial corroboration. Meanwhile, District Attorney Stephen Zappala declines to talk about the Shelton verdict. In a written statement, he says simply, the officer from Wilkinsburg testified truthfully, and that has been verified by the document you are referencing. And it turns out that Detective Adams' testimony was of some significance to the jury, because during their deliberations, they came back into the courtroom and asked that his testimony be read back to the jurors. After that, they went back in the jury room and they came back with a verdict of not guilty. Reporting live downtown, Paul Martino, KDKA News.